Good morning, dear learners. In previous video, we have studied the chemistry, structural activity relationship. We have seen the mechanism of action, adverse effect, and classification of sulfonamides. In today's lecture, we will see the drugs from the class of your sulfonamides. Their monographs we are going to study in this video. The first one, that is sulfagonidine. The name itself, the name itself नाव काय सांगतं, that is gonidine. It is present at N1 position. तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी सांगितलं आहे की जर सफिक्स असेल तर तो N1 पोझिशनला असतो आणि जर प्रिफिक्स असेल तर N4 पोझिशनला प्रेझेंट असेल. मग ह्या ठिकाणी द नेम इटसेल्फ सल्फागॉनिडिन म्हणजे काय, गॉनिडिन कुठे प्रेझेंट आहे, N1 पोझिशनला प्रेझेंट, इज प्रेझेंट ॲट N1 पोझिशन. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ युअर गॉनिडिन. You can write down simple N1 gonidine sulfanilamide. N1, that is the position of the substituent group, and the basic structure of your that sulfanilamide. Therefore N1 gonidine sulfanilamide. Or second, instead of considering sulfanilamide as a basic structure, in this I have considered gonidine. I have given the numbering 1, 2 and 3. This substitute group is present at the first position. What is the name of the substitute group? Give the sub numbering 8, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At fourth position, amino group is present. Therefore para-amino-benzene sulfonyl. What is the name? Para-amino-benzene sulfonyl, which is present at the first position. Therefore 1 para-amino-benzene sulfonyl, and the parent structure, that is gonidine. If you see properties, it is white needle-like crystalline powder, odorless. It is slightly soluble in water, soluble in dilute mineral acids, practically insoluble in ether and in acetone. It is used in treatment of intestinal infections, for example bacillary dysentery. Official preparation, sulfagonidine tablet, which is official in your IP. Brand name, Androgen, Resulfane, Gonimycin, etc. Then the next drug, that is sulfadiazine. See, sulfadiazine. The name itself, sulfadiazine, it is a substitute group which is present at N1 position. N1 पोझिशनला काय, डायाझिन. मग ॲझिन काय, सॉरी, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ युअर सल्फाडायाझिन. फर्स्ट वन नाही, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ युअर सल्फाडायाझिन. इफ यू सी द स्ट्रक्चर डायाझिन, इट इज अ सफिक्स. सफिक्स म्हणजे कुठे प्रेझेंट असेल, N1 पोझिशनला. N1 पोझिशन सी. द नेम इटसेल्फ डायॲझा, म्हणजे 2 नायट्रोजन हेट्रोआयटम्स आहेत. आणि आयनी म्हणजे काय, 6 मेंबर्ड रिंग. आयनी म्हणजे काय, 6. वी हॅव स्टडीड इन द नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ हेट्रोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड की आयनी that stands for your 6 membered unsaturated ring containing 2 nitrogen heteroatom, that is di. Di means 2, aza means nitrogen, ione means 6 membered ring, that is diazine. So this is the structure of your diazine. 6 membered ring containing 2 nitrogen heteroatom, first and third position. Clear? Now let us see the chemical name. This is the structure of your pyrimidine. This is the structure of your pyrimidine. कोणत्या पोझिशनला, N1. Therefore I can simply write down N1 pyrimidine sulfanilamide. N1 pyrimidine sulfanilamide. Or the second chemical name, I can consider 2-sulfanilamidopyrimidine. आता इथे काय, पहिल्या केमिकल नेम मध्ये मी सल्फानिलामाइड हे बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर कन्सिडर केलं. दिस स्ट्रक्चर आय हॅव कन्सिडर बेसिक पहिल्या केमिकल नेमसाठी. ह्या स्ट्रक्चरच्या N1 पोझिशनला पायरिमिडीन रिंग प्रेझेंट आहे, देअरफॉर आय हॅव रिटन N1 पायरिमिडीन सल्फानिलामाइड. आता सेकंड केमिकल नेममध्ये, in the second chemical name I have considered pyrimidine as a basic structure. दुसऱ्यामध्ये मी कोणती रिंग कन्सिडर केली? पायरिमिडीनची. Now see, this is the numbering of your pyrimidine: 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. मग हा जो सल्फानिलामाइड ग्रुप आहे किंवा सल्फानिलामाइडो ग्रुप आहे किंवा पॅरामाइनो बेन्झीन सल्फोनामाइड ग्रुप आहे, हा कोणत्या पोझिशनला? हा सेकंड पोझिशनला प्रेझेंट आहे. इट इज प्रेझेंट ॲट द सेकंड पोझिशन. देअरफॉर 2 सल्फानिलामाइडो पायरिमिडीन or 2 paramino benzene sulfonamide, and the last, that is the basic structure, that is pyrimidine. This is your chemical name of sulfur diazine. It occurs as white, yellowish white crystals or crystalline powder, odorless. It is slightly soluble in acetone, very slightly soluble in ethanol, practically insoluble in water. Uses: it is used in treatment of meningitis, respiratory tract infections, urinary tract infections. It is used in treatment of burns, that is silver salt of sulfur diazine, that is silver sulfur diazine. It is used in treatment of burns. Official preparation: sulfur diazine tablet IPVP, sulfur diazine injection BP, silver sulfur diazine cream, which is also official in your British pharmacopoeia. Brand name: trimocin, clotrimazine, etc. Then the next drug, that is cotrimoxazole. The next drug, that is your cotrimoxazole. Cotrimoxazole, it is a combination of two drugs. One is sulfamethoxazole and second one, that is trimethoprim, and it is present in the concentration of 5:1. कोट्रायमॅक्सोल मध्ये दोन ड्रग्स प्रेझेंट आहेत, एक सल्फामिथॉक्साझोल आणि दुसरं ट्रायमिथोप्रिम. त्याचा रेशिओ काय? 5:1. 5 पार्ट्स ऑफ सल्फामिथॉक्साझोल अँड 1 पार्ट ऑफ ट्रायमिथोप्रिम. जर मी 80 मिलीग्रॅम जर ट्रायमिथोप्रिम जर यूज करत असेल तर सल्फामिथॉक्साझोल किती यूज करणार? 400 मिलीग्रॅम. दॅट इज 80 into 5, दॅट इज 400 मिलीग्रॅम. द रेशिओ इज 5:1. कॉम्बिनेशन मध्ये का केले हे दोघं ड्रग? बिकॉज इट प्रोड्युसेस अ सायनर्जिझम इफेक्ट. ना हाऊ सायनर्जिझम इफेक्ट इज प्रोड्युस्ड? वी हॅव सीन सल्फोनामाइड. सल्फोनामाइड काय करता? पाबाचं कन्वर्जन डायहायड्रोफोलिक ॲसिडमध्ये प्रिव्हेंट करता बाय इनिबिटिंग द ॲक्शन ऑफ युअर डायहायड्रोफोलिक ॲसिड सिंथेटेज. ट्रायमिथोप्रिम काय करेल? ट्रायमिथोप्रिम इज गोइंग टू इनिबिट द ॲक्शन ऑफ युअर tetrahydrofolic acid synthetase, thereby preventing the conversion of your dihydrofolic acid into tetrahydrofolic acid. When sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim are given alone, there are chances that the bacteria may develop a resistance. इंडिव्हिज्युअली जर मी दोघं ड्रग्स जर दिले, इंडिव्हिज्युअली जर यूज केले, तर चान्सेस आहे की बॅक्टेरिया सल्फामिथॉक्साझोल किंवा ट्रायमिथोप्रिमला रेजिस्टन्स डेव्हलप करू शकतो. बट वेन गिवन इन कॉम्बिनेशन, these two drugs or similar pharmacokinetic properties are administered, the antibacterial spectrum is increased. Sulfamethoxazole inhibits the enzyme dihydrofolic acid synthetase and thus prevents the formation of dihydrofolic acid from PABA, while trimethoprim inhibits the action of dihydrofolic acid reductase and prevents the synthesis of tetrahydrofolic acid from dihydrofolic acid. This action of both the drugs shows synergism. Combination of these drugs against the sensitive bacteria produces a synergistic action or synergism. Uses: it is used in treatment of urinary tract infections, respiratory tract infections, It is also used in treatment of pneumonia, bronchitis, meningitis, even enteric infections like typhoid, etc. Official preparation: co-triaxole tablet BP, co-triaxole injection BP, and the most famous brand name, that is Septrin or Bactrim. Both of them is having a combination, that is sulfamethoxazole plus trimethoprim, that is to be known as co-triaxazole. Then the next drug, sulfadimethoxin. Sulfadimethoxin occurs as white or creamy white crystalline powder. It is slightly soluble in ethanol, very slightly soluble in water. It dissolves in solutions of alkali hydroxides and carbonates. It is used in treatment of urinary tract infections. Official preparation: sulfadimethoxin tablet IPBP. Brand names: Bensulfa, Sulfadrine. Next drug, sulfamethoxypyridazine, means at N1 position methoxypyridazine substitute group is present. Properties: it is white to yellowish white crystalline powder. It is slightly soluble in water, practically insoluble in ether, soluble in dilute mineral acids and solutions of alkali hydroxides. Uses: same as under sulfadimethoxin, that is it is used to treat UTI infections. Official preparation: sulfamethoxypyridazine tablet BP. Brand names: Confine, Tyrosol, etc. Next, succinyl sulfathiazole. Succinyl sulfathiazole occurs as white or yellowish white crystalline powder, odorless. It is slightly soluble in acetone, in ethanol, very slightly soluble in water, practically insoluble in ether. It is used to treat intestinal infections, to reduce bacterial flora of large intestine before surgery, and to treat ulcerative colitis, that is ulceration of mucous membrane of intestine. Official preparation: succinyl sulfathiazole tablet IPBP. Brand name: Cremomycin, Cremostep, Sulfamycin, etc. And the last drug, that is phythilyl sulfathiazole. Phythilyl sulfathiazole occurs as white or yellowish white crystalline powder, odorless. It is freely soluble in dimethylformamide, slightly soluble in ethanol, practically insoluble in water. Uses: same as under succinyl sulfathiazole. Official preparation: phythilyl sulfathiazole tablet IPVP. Brand names: Thalidine, Colchicina, etc. Here we complete your chapter, that is sulfonamides. From this chapter, the most important drugs are sulfagonidine, sulfacetamide, and sulfadiazine. Thank you.